Chief Minister already said that he wants app-based only. So there was a long discussion also in the House. I could not participate in the discussion. The rule book said so. I spoke to the Speaker, I spoke to the Secretary Legislature also. So they showed me the rule. So I could not participate in it.
Okay. So, but now
There has to be a solution finally. Now CM has told them that you do your own app-based service. We will help you. So we are working on it. Today some taxi owners had come to me who are close to me. They said, sir, work out something like this. So I've told Chief Minister that existing app also, if government takes it over, and it is a win-win situation for everyone. Like how we have Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation. It is there where private party is also investing money.
Okay.
But the full control is of government. Like I am one of the director of the Solid Waste Management Corporation. So something in that this is like Goa Miles can be taken over by government. Means government can be party to that. One entity, the taxi owners, drivers, one entity, and Goa Miles, one entity. So all three, because this is an existing app, and if they say no, don't want Goa Miles, then let us do our own app. Own app of the taxi owners and drivers. Let them do it, and government will give the required go-ahead signal for them.
So they're
But
totally.
this is already there.
Yeah.
So if government takes it over, like I've given you the example, Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation.
But still,
Here there is a private party
correct.
in Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation, that is Hindustan Garbage Treatment Plant. They are the private party. So in this, Goa government can be a party to it. That is Department of Tourism, Department of Transport, and they also. So it is a win-win situation for everyone.
No, but if
Finally, everybody has to come under one umbrella for the better good of Goa. Goinचे जो तर बरे जावपाक जाय tourism sector, for the better good of Goa, everybody has to come under one umbrella.
Sir,
but if they are not ready, then
But they don't want app only first.
yeah.
See, app म्हणजे कितें आता फाल्यां मीटर जे घाल म्हटल्यार कोर्टान आनी गव्हर्मेंटान ते कितें वॉट इज द मिनींग ऑफ मीटर मीटर इज ऑल्सो एप
Technology.
it's finally digital.
Yes.
So India is changing, the world has changed into digital. So they don't want private company bossing over them, outside private company bossing over them. I fully agree with that. So that is why government can come in the picture.
Government can take over
आम्ही
that.
कितें म्हटलें इतली वर्सां जाली हायकोर्ट म्हणटालो सगळे पंचायतींनी गार्बेज आपली ओन ट्रीट करची कोण ट्रीट करतालो कोण करिनालो अशेंच पडटालें ती सो आमी कितें केलें सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन मागीर फॉर्म केलें पयलीं आमी कितें केलें की भायली पार्टी हाडली गव्हर्मेंट आनी भायली पार्टी मेळोन हे प्लांट चालू केलो काम ह्या प्लांटाचें आनी तेजे उपरांत सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन केलें आतां हे आमी सगळे जाण तितून रावन हे सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन चलयता
पण इतलें करून गव्हर्मेंटान देखून घेतलें आनी समज तांकां तरी पूण नाका जाल्यार
See, somewhere they will have to agree. If government is party to the app, forget Goa Miles. Name can be something. If government has got full control over it, then why not? Why they should not agree? You tell me that. तेंका रेट जी आहा गॅझेटेड ती येतली भितर न्हू त्या एपान आनी एप म्हणजे कितें एप म्हणजे कोणूय भितर आतां आमच्या हॉटेलान गोवा मायल्साची गाडी येता आनी क्यू फोडून वता तें जावचें ना फुडें जे ते हॉटेलाक गाडयो आहा त्योच गाडयो त्या हॉटेलाचे म्हणजे एपान जेन्ना तुमी आहा तेच गाडयो त्या हॉटेलांसून गेस्ट व्हरोंक जाता दुसऱ्यो गाडयो भायले येवन जावचे ना व्हरपाक
So what do you feel that these people, it's difficult for them to
See,
be
what
made
has happened
understand?
is, earlier they were not taken into confidence.
ताका
आधी
लागून
तांकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवंक ना जेन्ना गोवा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ट्युरिझम दॅट इज GTDC entered into some mutual understanding or they gave them a letter of support to Goa Miles. So which was a company of Pune or whatever it is and a director of Goa as a partner, one of the director from Goa as one of the director. So now I am saying that Goa government should be part of, should take over this and those directors will remain. Goa government can come inside in the form of Department of Tourism, in the form of GTDC, in the form of any other corporation of the government, and the tourist taxi owners and drivers also can be part of it, and the app can be run nicely, very very systematically.
there is
It's not a
some.
question of giving guaranteed money or something. Everybody will get their money. It will run as it is. Like आता कशे आमचेच धरतो एक्झाम्पल दिता माझ्या हॉटेलान 60 गाडयो 65 आणि ते क्यू सिस्टमान वयता. ते एपान जॉईन झाले गव्हर्मेंटाच्या एपान जॉईन झाले जाल्यार ते क्यू सिस्टम फोडून कोणूच येवजोन आनीक वचपाक गेस्टाक येत आसतले.
Can a common man be forced not to use app or something if they want?
See, it is not like that. Today everybody is looking at digital, and every tourist who is coming into Goa is a this आमचे mobileacher apps होता they to ask for a taxi. Somebody comes and goes in the fish market of Panjim to see our fish market, vegetable market. After seeing that, he wants a taxi. He wants a taxi to come and pick him up at the fish market. He will not go searching for a taxi on the bus stand or taxi stand. So this should be the way, and there has to be transparency. Important is transparency. Transparency म्हणजे कितें तेणे बार्गेन करप ना. टॅक्सीन बसलो बार्गेन ना. बसलो तेका उमके जाग्यार तो पावलो तेजी रेट जी दिसली ताका हेचेर बिलाचेर मिटराचेर जर तूं मोबायलूच आहा मोबायल इज द डिजिटल मिटर
Correct.
तेजेर रेट दिसली जाल्यार सायडीकसून तेजे प्रिंट आउट भायर सरोंक जाता आनी ती कंपनी हिंगा आसपाक जाय तेजे सर्विसींग सेंटर हिंगा आसपाक जाय ते सगळे सर्वीस करपाक जर तेका फॉल्टी कितें येयले जर खंय तरी हें जालें बिलां भायर सरोना कित्याक सरोना ते सगळे जाग्यार घालपाक आसपाक जाय सो हियर देर इज अ कंपनी वीच इज ऑलरेडी देर खाली चीफ मिनिस्टरान इतलें पळोवपाक जाय की हे कंपनीक गव्हर्मेंट कंट्रोल कसो जावंक शकता आमी कसो केला थिंगा सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन आमचे गार्बेज कॉर्पोरेशन सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनान प्लांट कोणी घातला प्रायवेट कंपनी बट फूल कंट्रोल कोणाचो हा गव्हर्मेंटाचो तशें म्हणटा
Okay.
त्या जर तर हेचेर आमी मॉडलाचेर हें चलयत जाल्यार हो प्रश्न सुटावो जाता बट आमच्या भुरग्यांनी आमच्या फ्रेंडांनी वा आमच्या गोंयच्या भावांनी ते चिंतपाक जाय पॉझिटिव्हली इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द ट्युरिझम ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा in the interest of the tourists visiting the state of Goa, in the interest that tourism should flourish in the state of Goa. ह्या दृष्टिकोनांसून आमी जर तर सगळे जाण चिंतत जाल्यार गोवा विल बी अ डिफरंट ब्रँड ऑल टुगेदर वेर एवरीथींग इज व्हेरी इजिली एक्सेसिबल एंड रायट नाव आमचे ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी भाव बरे सर्वीस दिता गेस्टांक पूण एकूच चुकता खंय जे अमाउंट भायर सरना बिलां भायर सरना ट्रान्सपरन्सी ना सो some guests think that they are cheating, which is not.